Hello everyone, my name is Karthik. I am from Sri Aurobindo Society. On behalf of Sri Aurobindo Society, I welcome you all teachers for the most successful and innovative idea sharing platform ZIIEI. Today we are going to discuss about various innovative ideas, and also we are going to discuss about the learning process of students with a very fun and interesting atmosphere. And now we are going to discuss about a chapter called Goldilocks and the Three Bears. The chapter number is 12. This chapter is from NCERT syllabus, class 2, subject English. So how we are going to learn this chapter? We are going to learn this chapter with the help of an innovative idea called wrong chart teaching method. So what are the innovations behind this innovative idea, wrong chart teaching method? The innovation is to enhance the concentration of the students in a joyful manner when they correct the wrongly written sentences and words in a chart. So this is the innovation behind this innovative idea, wrong chart teaching method. So what are the objectives of this innovative idea? The objective is to revise the concept of preposition. So this is the objective of this innovative idea. How we are going to implement this idea? Before seeing the implementation process, let us see the pre-arrangements or pre-requirements for the implementation. The pre-requirements is nothing but a chart with wrongly written sentences and words, and also picture cards of different positions of persons or objects. So these are the pre-arrangements that is required for the implementation. Now let us see the implementation process. Instruct the students to observe the wrong chart carefully where sentences and statements are wrongly written. Now, along with the wrong chart, show the students picture cards of different positions of objects or persons. Now, in the chart, there may be a sentence, a child is on the table. But the picture card shows that the child is under the table. So according to the picture card, the student should correct the wrongly written statement in the wrong chart. So one by one the student should come near the wrong chart. He or she should observe the wrong chart and as well as the picture card. So according to the picture card, the students one by one should correct the wrongly written statement in the wrong chart. So in this way, continue the process till all the students in the classroom complete the activity. And in this way the implementation process goes on. What are the learning outcomes of this innovative idea, wrong chart teaching method? The learning outcomes are the students able to identify wrongly written sentences and words, the students able to identify prepositions, the student able to identify characters and sequence of events in a story or in a poem, the students able to express verbally, that is able to ask questions about sequence of events and characters in a story or in a poem, the students able to respond comprehension questions in a story or in a poem, the students able to draw or write words and short sentences in response to a poem or in response to a story, the students able to develop their core life skills such as critical thinking, effective communication and decision making. The students able to collect records and simple informations. Also, they can interpret the simple informations. Even the poor learners and the children with disabilities can improve their learning process with the help of this innovative idea, wrong chart teaching method. Also, experiential learning takes the students from the abstract world to the real world. So these are the learning outcomes of this innovative idea, wrong chart teaching method. If you like this video, kindly like and share. Also, please subscribe Sri Aurobindo Society's YouTube channel ZIIEI. On another fine day, let us meet and discuss with another innovation. Until then, it's bye from Karthik. Thanks for watching.